Okay. So then what is the procedure to create an industry sector? What is the procedure to create an industry sector? Industry sector means while creating the material, this is the industry sector is available. If you want to create an industry sector, then what is the process to create it? So go to T code, OMS3, OMS3. So go to new entries, for example Z company, field references. Always, as per the SAP suggestion, when you are creating a industry sector, you should use the field references equal to M. M is provided by the M SAP standard. You can use it. Just enter. So Z already exists. So make it as a Y. I save it. So go to create a material / MM01. Look this, come to this Z company. Look this one is appearing for you. So this is the procedure you can create it. Actually what happened, industry sectors actually the clients are not creating those industry sectors. But if you will get the requirement to create it, then observe this functionality which I have written right now. This is the functionality you can create a like industry sector over there. Okay, the T code is OMS3. OMS3. So this is the procedure. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete those things as an OMS3. Okay, so this is the procedure. Till now, any questions, Joshi?
Yeah, the material type is the one I struggle a bit. All others are same easily. I think easy to understand because all of the transactions.
Material type, what happens? You can do your practice on your end. So what happens? You will get to know what are the functionalities is available or not. Okay, you can understand properly. At that time, you will get to know so many questions in your mind. So note it down. Ask me in the next session. It will be good for you, right?
Yeah. Very good. I'll practice tomorrow. I know.
Yeah. Sure.